Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make picture background transparent. Okay, open your image, remove the lock, then go to select quick selection tool. Hold hold shift. Hold space. Then move. Okay. Minus hold alter. Okay. Go to refine its white or black. As you reduce something, smooth something, feather, contrast, soft, etc. something. Okay. Selections, layer mask. Then click OK. Now we can see this transparent image background. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.